So you can go on Instagram and you can type Boston influencers, Boston photographers, Boston vloggers, and see those people that they have a lot of followers.
I'm Cosmina and I welcome you to the Hustle, Passion and Beauty Podcast, where I share with you the new rules of hustling to live your dream and becoming the best version of yourself. I'm happy that you are now part of the Limitless Beauty Boss community, where I share the behind the scenes of my eyelash and makeup business. Each week, I bring you a guest or a strategy that can help you build your own business in the beauty industry.
My name is Cosmina and I'm a certified lash tech and certified esthetician. I'm gonna explain you what I did back 2 years ago when I first started doing lashes and what I'm actually doing right now when I need to have more clients. So let's go back 2 years ago when I had my first course with extreme lashes. I only did classic for about 6 or 7 months, and in that time I was in a cosmetology school, so I was very happy to practice on those girls so I can get more familiar and more comfortable with the process. So after I was a little bit more familiar and more comfortable, I went to the next step and I took the volume course. So I took this volume course for another 2 days with extreme lashes, and I also practiced on those girls for about another month or so. And then I said to my husband, I think I'm ready to actually get real clients. So first thing that we did, you have to set up your page. You have to set up your Instagram, your Facebook, your website, your Google, so people can actually find. I took a lot of pictures with those girls so people can see my work if they are searching for my name. So I said to my husband, I think I'm ready for regular clients. We did some campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and I also did the first giveaway. I think it was for Valentine's Day. We put some money on Instagram on those ads. My husband does all this. He's behind my social media, and I think for my first giveaway I had around 400 people that they entered. So I ran this for about 2 weeks, and then I choose 3 people for a full set of lashes for free. Now I'm gonna explain you that a lot of people are thinking, oh, but I don't want to lose money, I don't want to give anything for free, I'm losing products and I'm losing my time. This is wrong. This is very, very wrong. And I'm gonna give you my example. So let's say you got this first client for a full set of lashes for free. If this client is gonna be very happy and you're doing an amazing job, what's gonna happen next? This client is gonna recommend you to more people. More people are gonna see your work. More people are gonna ask, oh, I love your lashes. Who did your lashes? Oh, I have this girl that she did my lashes. So basically you're gonna win more customers and you're gonna make more money, correct? So if your client that you gave a full set for free, she was happy, this is gonna be your ideal client. This is gonna be your every 2-3 weeks client. Think about how much money you're gonna make in 6 months, and think about how much money you're gonna make in 1 year, correct? So you probably lost, let's say 200. I don't know, it depends on your set. So if you're losing 200, but you basically gonna win every 2 weeks this client, you're the winner. Exactly. So this is extremely important. I got a lot of people from those giveaways. Now, another thing that I did, and this helped me a lot, and I got most of my clients came from Instagram. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Instagram platform is the best in those days. The best. You can do a lot of things on Instagram. You can advertise, you can pay ads, you can do a lot of things on Instagram. So what I did, it was something like this. I'm from Boston, so you have to make sure that you search on your area where you live. So you can go on Instagram and you can type Boston influencers, Boston photographers, Boston vloggers, and see those people that they have a lot of followers. Not a huge, not crazy followers, but people that they are very active on Instagram. So what I did is I did a template and I said, hey, name, whatever the name is, I really like your profile. I think you're doing an amazing job. I think it's a hard work in there, and congratulations for that. My name is Cosmina and I'm a certified lash tech, and I will love to give you a full set of lashes for free for opening my lash place, my name, my brand, Limitless Beauty brand, and I would love to gift you with a free set of lash extension. So I think I texted in one day around 50 people. I got answered back around 20% of them, which it was great. If you send like 50 people and you got 10 people from those texts, you're the winner. So I got those people, they came here, I did a full set for them, and basically those people became my ideal client every 3 weeks. So I didn't lose anything. I didn't lose my time. I didn't lose money. I was basically earning more clients and more money. So this is very important again. Now, another thing is, and I see that people just love this, you have to have your place very, very nice. So in my studio, it's a small studio, but I have those diplomas, I have those certifications on my walls. My bed is very, very clean. I always sanitize. Everything is very nice and clean. I also play some music every time, very relaxed, so they can relax while I'm doing their lashes. I also have a candle here that I like to light, so you can feel that nice environment. So this is another thing that people really love this. What I also do with all my clients that they are first time, I like to give them a little bag, a gift bag with some products. So for example, what I put in the bag is a small gift bag with foam cleanser. They can clean their lashes every day. I also give them a brush so they can clean their lashes too. I have some collagen pads under eye patch. I have some business cards. I have some brushes and aftercare guide. They can see that you really care of them, and this is very important as well. So now let me explain you something. It's very important to be very active on Instagram or Facebook, but I think in those days, like I mentioned, Facebook is the best that you can get more clients, and people can find you easy. So I remember when I first started with this, I said, oh, but I want to put my name on the page so people can find me. And my husband was like, no, people are not gonna find you under your name because nobody knows your name. Your friends, yes, but not the regular clients, correct? So you have to put something like lash extensions, lash tech, lash artist, Boston lashing, or whatever people can find you easy. So when you go in Instagram and you type in lash extensions, you're gonna see those pages first with lash name, not my real name, because nobody's gonna search for my name. So that's another thing. And then another thing, you have to be very active on Instagram. You have to put your work in there so people can see, oh, I really love this. Put pictures before, put pictures after. Even when I start taking real clients, I had a lot of pictures from those girls from the school. So I was ready with everything. I was everywhere. I was on Facebook, I was on Google, I had my website. I have everything ready when I start. That's another thing very important. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about products, if you have any questions about school, if you have any questions about clients. I'm gonna put all those products below so you can see what kind of products I'm using for my clients right now.
If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe, rate and review the show, take a screenshot and tag me on Instagram so you can enter my monthly giveaway where you can win eyelashes and makeup products. Thank you so much for listening and make sure you don't miss the next episode.